So this is GATE 2016 Metallurgical Engineering question number 55. Match the deformation processes in column 1 with the corresponding stress states listed in the column 2. Column 1 is wire drawing, forging, stretch forming and cutting. And column 2 is direct compression, indirect compression, tension and shear. So before proceeding to answer this question, we should know all these four processes. First is wire drawing. So what is wire drawing is like when we apply an external tensile stress which induce two mutually perpendicular compressive stress. So if we try to pull one thing out of a narrow hole, then what happens is like because of that narrow hole, two mutually perpendicular compressive stress acts, which indeed gives thinning of that wire, and we can be able to draw wire of lesser cross section than the earlier one. So which is wire drawing. Here we are applying a tensile force, but which is giving compressive stress near the hole, which is indirect compression. So P corresponds to 2. Now what is forging? In forging, the force is directly applied to the surface of workpiece, so and the metal falls at right angle to the direction of the compression. Hence it is basically a direct compression. So Q is 1. Now what is stretch forming? Now you can see this schematic. This is the sketch forming, stretch forming. Here you can see one die is there, and here you have a sheet, and this sheet is holded by these two carriage. They usually call it carriage, and this ram or this is fixed. So what is usually done is like we pull this two and we pull this two also, this also, ram also. So what it does is like you can see this is stretching this plate or sheet, and again ram is also like stretching it more. So this is a type of tension, like in this sheet tension will be there. So R will be 3. And cutting, as you can see in this schematic, this is the workpiece and you are like parallelly shearing force, and the shearing force is out of the plane of the sheet, which means that it will cut like this. This die will go up and this die will come down. Hence this is a shearing action. So cutting is basically the shearing action. So the answer is wire drawing is indirect, so P2, forging is direct, Q1, stretch forming is tension, R3, and cutting is shear, S4. So the answer is option C.